98% of the action done by me.
अरे ये हम मेन्यू में डाल देते हैं.
Hi Mashul, what you guys are doing here?
What brings you to this kitchen?
This is Ranveer Bara's kitchen. He's allowed me, and I'm in Dubai, so I wanted to have Bihari aloo ki bhujia. I was craving for it, and this is something that you can make it very quickly. That's the beauty of it, and it tastes yum with rice and dal.
Which of your films is your favorite?
I've done 100 films now. With Bhaiya Ji, it's 100th film I'm celebrating now. And Bhaiya Ji is releasing on 23rd in UAE and 24th all over India and everywhere. Please watch it, yeah. So there are many films, all of them are product of my hard work. So they can't be one favorite.
What has been your favorite role so far?
No, there is not one. I go by what the audience's favorites are.
Can you recite your favorite dialogue?
I can't because it took me many months to prepare for that role. Mumbai Ka King, Kaun, Bhiku Mhatre, but with the same kind of josh and in the character I can't do it. And I've done many films after that. But yeah, Mumbai Ka King, Kaun, Bhiku Mhatre, that became like a household dialogue for everyone. Yeah.
Who other than you could play the role of Bhiku Mhatre?
I don't think of anybody else. But me.
How much was your first paycheck?
First paycheck was 50,000 rupees for Bandit Queen. And after 6 years, I've done a film. I'm not going to name. It was 1.5 lakh.
What was your character's name in the movie Chakravyuh?
Okay, that's Rajan.
What is the name of the inspector in the movie Shootout at Badala?
Inspector
Come on, quick.
Shinde. Shinde?
Is it?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. How much money did Pakya ask from Bhiku Mhatre?
Oh, that's a long time back. You can't. I don't remember. Come on, that's a googly.
How often do you cook?
Sometimes I cook, but mostly I cook non-vegetarian and all Bihari food.
Wow.
Yeah, I love Bihari food. हम तो कढ़ाई में बनाते हैं. यहाँ पे काफी फैंसी तवा है और ये पॉट है यहाँ पे.
How would you celebrate your 100th film?
I am already celebrating with making aloo ki bhujia, Bihari aloo ki bhujia.
Have you used a body double in Bhaiya Ji?
98% of the action done by me because that's how the action director wanted.
Okay.
And even my director Apur Singh Karki, an action director, is a legendary action director from South S Vision. I didn't have any other choice but to go with their conviction and their demand.
Okay.
And I'm not somebody who has done those kind of actions in my career. Okay, so yes, it was too much of a risk. Every day, every morning, I used to pray to the God, saying that please make sure that the day goes well.
How do you keep so fit at your age?
Oh, such a young age, you mean?
Yeah.
You almost said young,
No, you are young.
and then you retracted.
No, I was
That's
young.
so bad,
No.
so bad. I fast for 14 to 16 hours. So if I'm having say a small meal at say 5 o'clock, then straight away I'll have my breakfast at 9 o'clock next day. That kind of takes care of everything. Then I stick to my routine of exercises.
How did Baag Ka Kareja come to life?
There was an idea that there has to be a song about bravery and courage. Oh my God!
I have to say this.
Right.
बहुत लोग आते हैं,
हाँ.
ऊपर से हाथ हिला के चले जाते हैं.
Right.
रेडीमेड खाना इस्तेमाल करते हैं. पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है, कोई इंसान तसल्ली से एंजॉय करके बाकायदा बना रहा है.
नहीं क्या है कि
जो है वो है।
नहीं, ये जो है ये हमारे बचपन का बहुत ही सीधा सिंपल खाना हमारी माँ बनाया करती थी। ये चावल दाल और आलू की भुजिया या भिंडी की भुजिया बहुत जल्दी बन जाता है। तो माएँ जो है जिसके 6 बच्चे हों वो जल्दी से जल्दी ये बना देती थी और खिला देती थी। तो मैंने इनको कहा यार जल्दी जल्दी में तो वही हो सकता है कि मैं भिंडी की भुजिया और आलू की भुजिया बना
आज आप माँ हैं और मैं बच्चा हूँ, मैं खाने वाला हूँ।
और
One eternity later.
we thought of a theme song which could define Bhaiya Ji. So I thought, let's stick to the roots and the culture and the pure rooted book, song coming from that heartland. So nobody could be, better than Manoj Tiwari. And I spoke to him. He came to Bombay, and in 15 minutes he composed the song. He found the words, and he said, I'll just go back to Delhi and finalize it and send it to you. In another 4 days, he sent the song to us. So that's the magic of Manoj Tiwari. And it was written by Dr. Sagar, who is such an amazing lyricist now. Yeah.
A few moments later.
What was the toughest role you had to ever play and why?
There are many, but I can say that Bhaiya Ji was tough physically, I would say. The action that, this kind of an action is something that I've never trained in. And that too, after so many years, now someone is suddenly, waking up to Manoj Bajpayee doing action in a film. Was asking for too much, but I had to do it. I had to meet the expectation and excel in it. My left knee is very badly injured. My neck still pains. But yes, physically it was very demanding for me.
When you received the national award, what was your reaction?
My first national award was for Satya. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe that my, breakaway breakaway performance could fetch me a national award. On those days, national award used to be without any controversy, believe me. I didn't know how to respond. I went numb. I didn't want to believe the news. Whoever was there, giving me the news, then he asked me to switch on the TV to confirm it. And I switched on the TV and it was, they were announcing the winners and all the scrolls were going on. So yeah, that it was unbelievable for me.
Your favorite producer you have ever worked with?
My wife in Bhaiya Ji. I can be Vikram Khakkar was my partner. He was there on the set, and yes, but Yash Chopra Ji. In Beezer, I've done a guest appearance in that, so I was required only for very few days. But the way he made sure that I get the respect and the welcome was something I can't forget.
सीधी सादी सिंपल आलू भुजिया
आलू की भुजिया करीब है देख खा के देख
एक्चुअली क्या है ना, चूल्हा किचन सब बदल जाता है।
हाँ
थोड़ा तो
there are some food which is connected to your nostalgia
अरे बहुत बढ़िया बना।
ये हाँ ना
बहुत बढ़िया। आपने वो नींबू फिनिश कर दिया।
हाँ
अरे ये हम मेन्यू में डाल देते हैं। आइडिया आ गया। लोग बोलते थे यार मेन्यू में नया क्या है, बोले चलो मेन्यू में नया है मनोज भाई की आलू भुजिया।